What up, everybody? Chon OD here at Square Bodies and Bow Ties, man. Gonna give you another episode of my tailgate restoration. Just gonna show some short clips of doing some block sanding, some priming, a little fun in the garage. Make sure you leave a comment, hit the subscribe button. Peace. Alright, here's the tailgate after the primer job. She looks pretty clean. Came out nice. Can't see it because of the shade, but I'm gonna spray a light coat of some just some semi-gloss back paint for a glide coat so that I can sand it, block sand it all down, and find out any imperfections in my bodywork before I put my final coat of primer on it. But basically, here it is. So basically, I got some new hinges and these pivot things. These were 75 bucks on eBay. A lot nicer than the old school ones, look. And I bought me some new hinges that I found on eBay that are NOS GM ones. This should make the tailgate move up nice and smooth. Alright, here's the tailgate after doing some block sanding. Got a low spot, a couple low spots I gotta address. For the most part, it all looks pretty good. One spot there where there's still a dent. And I'll go back and take care of all these spots. Throw it in some primer again. What up, everybody? Thanks for watching my video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, throw a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and check me out on Instagram at Square Bodies and Bow Ties, K5 C10. Peace!